If you want to see both your installed and uninstalled apps on your iPhone, don't worry, I've got some steps to help you out. Whether you're trying to find an app you've uninstalled or just want to check what's currently installed, here's how you can do it. First, check First App section. Open the App Store on your iPhone, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner, tap Apps, tap All. Here, this will show you all the app that you even installed on your iPhone and that app you are currently using also if tap Not on My iPhone list from here. This will show you all the app that you even delete or uninstalled from your iPhone. Now, if you ever want to hide or delete the history, you just need to swipe to left. If the app or games were paid, then go back, tap Purchased History. This will show you the data of your first app or games that you bought, and you can see it from here. By following these steps, you'll be able to easily see both your installed and uninstalled apps on your iPhone. If this guide helped, let me know in the comments below.